Welcome to Help for Good eLearning. My name is Ashish Gadpale. I am your Java trainer. So guys, in the last video, we have discussed the problem statement 3 of this project. That is, we had created two classes, interest 1 and interest 2 class. And interest 1 was calculating the 4% rate of interest, and interest 2 was calculating the rate of interest 2% on saving accounts. Okay. So saving accounts and current percent rate of interest on current account and 4% rate of interest on saving account. Okay. So now so in the problem statement 4, what we have to do, we have to create a interface, that is RBI interface, and RBI interface is having the calculate interest method. And you knows that the interface, when I should go for interface, when we have multiple solution to solve the same problem. Okay, so if I am having a problem and I am having the multiple solution, then we can use the RBI, means we can go for interface. Like for example, I am having the RBI interface. RBI interface is having the calculate interest method, and RBI is having the number of child bank like SBI Bank, Maharashtra Bank, Punjab National Bank. Now what we will write, like class SBI implements RBI. So whatever methods are declared inside the RBI, that will be override in the SBI class. Okay, and that then we will write our own definition there. Okay, so interface is used to achieve the 100% abstraction. And the last video we discussed about the abstract class. So abstract class provide the partial implementation, like it contains abstract and non-abstract methods. So now let's begin with the session, guys. Okay, so create an interface RBI having the function like calculate interest and implement the saving account and current account. Okay, now what I'm doing is I'm creating the interface RBI interface, and RBI interface is having the calculate interest method. Okay, RBI interface is having the calculate interest method. It will calculate the interest method. Okay, and what we are doing here, we have to implement this interest method in saving account and current account. Okay, so in saving account and current account we have to implement, but in saving account and current account already the interest is calculated by interest 1 and interest 2. Okay, so for current account we have interest 1, and for saving account we have interest 2. So what we are doing now, we are doing some modification. What we are doing, we are implementing these methods, means this RBI interface in interest 1. Similarly, what we are doing, we are implementing the RBI interface in saving account also. Implements RBI. Okay, now interest method become the calculate interest method. Similarly, here what I'm doing changes, interest method should be a calculate interest method. Okay, calculate interest method means RBI interface method we have overridden. Okay, then in the calling function, in the calling main function, we have to make the changes like calculate interest method, and then also we have the calculate interest method. Okay, so this modification I did. Okay, so now what we are doing, we are having the RBI interface. Okay, this app and having the abstract method, that is calculate interest method. We have implemented that method in the saving accounts class and in the current account class. So but saving account and current account already inherited in the interest 1 and interest 2 class. Okay, so now let me execute the code. Okay, so Java C, my class name is banking system .java, working fine, and then Java and banking. So for current account, suppose this is my current account. Customer name I am having, city is Pune, and for current account I want to calculate the interest. Yes, it is calculating. Let me add some more amount, like 5,000 I'm adding, and let's calculate the interest. Yeah, it is working. Okay, so we have implemented this RBI interface. Okay, Now the next question, problem statement is like all the banks operating in India are controlled by the RBI. RBI has some well-defined guidelines. The RBI provides some rules like a minimum interest rate, maximum balance allowed, and minimum withdrawal limit that we have to implement in the that our project. Okay. Also, for example, suppose RBI has minimum interest rate applicable for to a saving account, bank like 4% rate of interest. Means like we have to the minimum rate of interest should be like 4% on saving accounts and 2% on the current account. Okay, then you can you can charge more as well. You can give the rate of interest more in your on whatever amount is deposited. Okay, so now let's implement. We have already implemented this minimum balance allowed. We have already implemented. Let's set minimum interest rate first. Okay. So in minimum interest rate, what I'm doing is I'm having two variables like final variables set interest A and okay. What I'm doing is I'm adding this method here and like 0.04 0.02 means 2% rate of interest, and I'm changing this variable into the double variable. Okay, double variable. Okay, so this is my constant variable, and let's check in the interest one class first. Okay, if your rate of interest, okay, so rate of interest for CA, it should be minimum 0.02. Okay, greater than equals to 0.02. Okay, rate of interest for current account is greater than equals to 2, then it's okay. Then the interest rate should be calculated. Okay, okay, else what we are doing, um else what we are doing, we are providing the message like minimum interest rate is 2%. Okay, so we are providing this message. Okay, and what we can do is you can also accept the value enter minimum rate of interest like this. Okay, here, and then you can check with this like if rate of interest is greater than is your rate of interest is greater than is equals to rate CA, then it's okay. Otherwise, let's take an rate of interest means whatever like if any bank wants to give the rate of interest. Okay, so let me calculate that. What we are doing here, let me ask like enter rate of interest. Okay, enter rate of interest, and we have the int variable rate equals to sc dot. Okay, I have to create the object here. So sc dot next int, and then I need object means of sc. Okay, means scanner class object I need. So what I'm doing is I'm doing the copy paste this here. Okay, sc dot next int means now what we are doing, we will check here if rate is greater than equals to rate CA current account. Okay, so then it is okay. Okay, else so the balance multiply by 0. So instead of that, what we are doing, rate CA. Okay, minimum rate of interest is like this. Okay, and then what we are doing, okay, we will accept this rate of interest in the form of the double, or we will calculate this Like for example, how we can calculate, like double rate 1 is equals to rate divided by 100. Okay, and we are doing typecasting here, double. Okay, so rate divided by 100, so rate of interest would be calculated. Then what we are doing, the balance multiply by rate 1. Okay, let me check if it is working or not for interest 1. Then we will do the copy paste same code for interest 2 method. Okay, so we have implemented it in only for the current account, guys. Okay, so now let me execute the code. Let me first compile the code. What is showing? Line number 67. Okay, okay, so AMT variable is not accessible here. Okay, now let me execute. Yes, it is working. For current account, we have to check. This is my account number. Name is Raj. Raj belongs to the Pune. Then one for current account. 5 to calculate the rate of interest. Enter the rate of interest. Like for example, the rate of interest is 1. It is showing your total rate of interest is like this. I mean, it is not calculating, right? The answer should be like minimum rate of interest is 2%. Okay, means it is not working. Now let's check. So I have accepted. Okay, what mistake I did now? Rate 1 should be there. If rate 1 is greater than equals to rate of CA, correct? Let me execute again. One for current account, then add customer detail. So customer name is Raj. He belongs to Pune. Then record is added. Then show customer details. Okay. Yes. Calculate the rate of interest. So for example, one enter showing minimum interest rate is 2%. Yes, very good. Now let's pass the show customer details. Sorry, calculate rate of interest, and the rate of interest is now 3%. Yet is calculating very good. Okay. Now what we are doing same copy paste in interest 2 class. Okay. So this function should be copy pasted here in interest 2 class. Okay. Same interest 2 class. But only the modification is rate CA. So rate SA is there. Other than code is correct, and then your minimum rate of interest is 4. Okay, let me check with interest 2. So let me compile the code first. Then for saving account, we are adding the customer details. Customer name is belongs to Pune, and what we are doing to show the customer details. Yes, 1000 is there. Calculating the rate of interest. Now rate of interest was set to 4%, right, for saving account. So what we are doing, we are entering the 3, showing minimum rate of interest is 4. Yes, correct. And what I'm doing is I'm calculating 5, and rate of interest is like 4 or 5, 6 I'm giving. Yes, it is calculating. So now code is correct, guys. Okay. So now let me check interest rate we have set, minimum balance we have set. Now we have to set the minimum withdrawal amount. Okay, means if like suppose I want to set withdrawal amount is 10,000 rupees. Okay, means you cannot withdraw amount more than 10,000 rupees. So let me check how we can do that. Okay, so let's check the withdrawal method of the first current account. So in the current account we have a withdraw method. So enter amount to be withdraw. Okay, and then it is calculating like whatever amount is the minimum balance rate is like this. So what we are doing here, the minimum like if the AMT variable, okay, if AMT is greater than 10,000, 10,000 we will allowed, okay, we will allow to withdraw 10,000 amount. But if it is more than 10,000, okay, if it is more than 10,000, then what we will do, we will give the message. Otherwise what we will do, yeah, we will give the if not greater than, or okay, if amount is greater than 10,000, then what we are giving here, like maximum withdrawal limit is, withdrawal limit is 10,000 only, okay, 10,000 only I have set here. So this is my maximum withdrawal limit is 10,000, okay. Now what we are doing, so else, okay, so then it should become in the else part, then else my code will be executed, okay. Now what we are doing, let's check with the withdraw method for current account, guys, okay. Let me compile this code first, then executing. One for current account, add customer details, then Raj, city is Nagpur, one for current account, and we have to deposit some amount. Let me deposit 20,000 rupees, okay, 2 lakhs we have deposited, okay. Then what we are doing, let me calculate for current account, then for withdraw, okay, if amount is like 12,000 rupees, it is giving the message your maximum withdrawal limit is 10,000 only. Yes, it is correct. Then again what we are doing, uh, select fourth option, amount of withdraw. Suppose I am entering the 10,000 rupees. Yes, amount is withdraw, okay. Now again what I am doing, select option 4, amount of withdraw. Suppose I want to withdraw 3,000, yet it is okay. Now what we are doing, we have to do the copy paste this code for the your saving accounts, okay. In the same code we have to do the copy paste, okay, nothing change. Saving account withdraw method, okay. Now in the last, so guys, let's check with the saving account also if it is working or not, then our project is done. Legal start, what it is showing, okay, we are doing the copy paste withdraw methods, I think. Yeah, let me compile this code. So we have to check for the saving account. So let's select the saving account. I'm adding some details like customer name is Dinesh, then customer city is Pune. Then what I'm doing is two for saving account, and I'm depositing some amount like this. Okay. Then amount is deposited for, and let's try to withdraw. If amount is like 40,000 we have entered, showing minimum withdrawal limit is 10,000 only. Then what we are doing, we can withdraw the amount. Okay, fourth option it is. Then like 10,000 or 9,000 we are withdrawing. Okay, yes, it is working. So guys, finally our project is created. Now you can take the screenshot of this project. Let me scroll this. Okay, so this is the first screen. We can take out the screenshot. Then this is my class. Okay, take out this screenshot and do practice this code. This is my current account class. You can take out this screenshot and practice the code. Then my interest one class is there. Then my saving account is there. This is my saving account code. And then this is my interest 2 class. Then this is my banking system main class is there. Okay. So guys, I hope you have enjoyed my videos of project creation. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. So guys, now convert this project for adding the multiple customer data. And what you can do is for that you can create the array list or list concepts. And then also you can use the arrays as well. Or what you can do is create the object array here. Okay, for adding the multiple customer data. And then you can mention this project in your resume as well. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. Bye bye and stay connected.